Trendmaster, a couple of updates on the scripts, and just going over these key level zones. Epic, super epic. So he's looking for some entries down in this area. We got that entry, nice double bottom pan, and you know, we had a nice move up. So we'll just go over you can see these upper areas, these red areas, and these red areas have been drawn on pretty much from this here, as you can see from that screenshot. As soon as we drew them on, what I'll do is I'll just replay this, okay, and just show you exactly what's happened here, because it is very cool. And you know, it's very easy to just hindsight trade and draw boxes and things like that after the things occur, but what you want to do is you want to draw these zones on so you know they exist, and then when the potential opportunity arises, we can then take a probability kind of assessment and potentially make some trades. Okay, so what happened here is that this one doesn't exist yet. So what happened is we had this move up, we made this high, and then we breached this high, stealing the liquidity here. And you know, I've drew this box on here, okay, because the whales arrived. So the whales arrived, we've moved down, another whale has arrived, and we've moved down. So what I'm going to do is just draw two boxes. So if we just draw another box on this one and draw this out. So I just changed the color real quick. Okay, so we've got another box. So what I'm looking for is that these areas, to get some sort of confirmation signals in these and to take a trade. So let's just print some candles here. Now if a candle does break above like so, I mean, that is close, I'd probably leave that. You know, if it does break above, then it's pretty much useless. But you can see how, you know, these candles have moved up to this level here, and then it's spiking and causing some wicks here. Let me just quickly change this crosshair. Okay, so let's print some more candles. As you can see, nice strong move down. Okay, so this box is okay to be left on, but what I've done is I've just changed it for this new box. So we've got two zones, 1 and 2. So what we'll do is moving forward. Oh, and look at that nice move down here from that zone. So this is what I was talking about how to draw these zones when the fish turn on. Just utilize that specific candle and use it as a key area. So we've gone ahead and formed this bottom zone and this upper zone here, and what I want to do is remember we've got a box on here and we've got a box up the top here. So I've just shaded this back one out, but look at what happens. So the price comes down, forms our kind of floor, and then comes up and spikes directly to the bottom of this kind of shaded out zone. Look at that. So 1, 2, 3, move down into the lower zone, back up into the top, and we'll just carry this on. But look at how that is respecting the bottom of that box until it breaks up into it. And as you can see, it's into the top of this zone now. So let's just see what happens. Okay, just a bit of commentary here. We've moved into the upper zone and we've spiked up past the zone. Second candle is pretty much exactly on the line, nearly very close. Okay, and look at that. 1, 2, move out of the zone. Okay, so you know, just rewinding here and just going back over the point of this video is that when we you know, when we started here, okay, and we just drew this one box on, and then as the prices moved, we drew the second box on there, and then from this point here, okay, actually the next candle, from this point here we have these value zones to work with. Okay, we've got the upper zone, we've got the lower zone, we've got this level of resistance here, we've got levels of resistance up the top here. We can trade within this range, take longs from this green area, take shorts from this upper area, and take the more risk managed entries. Okay, so let's just let this play out now and see what's happening. So we move up into the upper area, steal the liquidity from above, move down into the lower area, So you can see there it's touched into this low area, moved up, touched the resistance, back into the zone again. And I mean, for me, okay, this was an entry. Okay, this was an entry point right here. This is where I entered, started to build a position here, but unfortunately there was a candle here that put me off, and then just moving forward, this spike below and then move back up. This double bottom formation here was an entry. So when we post this bad boy on the chart, let's see where we're at. I think we entered pretty much there. Yeah, we entered on that candle. So the second candle, we enter on there, and we're looking for a push up to this upper area, but first profit targets are kind of here. I mean, just a very small day trade. And through the night, it ground up there, hit the profit target. So we're kind of exiting a majority of the portions here. We look for another re-entry on a retracement, and there it was, pretty much there. We get a nice sharp push up to there, which hits more profit targets. Nice little retracement. And if I could see you see the scalper level on this here, it's just riding the scalper level nicely. But again, the lower resistance level, look at this box. This box has not been adjusted. Look at it, it's like a wall. Okay, and then we have finally moved up and touched it right there, touched that upper zone. And where are we now? I think that's about it. This is all that we have. So yeah, so that's the end of the replay. We can see, oh, there we are. We are deep into that area now. So that's pretty much it for the Trendmaster tables and the Overwatch entries. So I hope you enjoyed that. More to come soon.